Hi there, students. Marrow. Marrow. A noun. I think maybe either countable or uncountable. Let's see. I think this has two different meanings. Firstly, you have the marrow, which is what is inside a bone. If you cut a bone or you break a bone, you'll notice there's a tube going up and down, and inside this sort of fatty connective tissue, this is the marrow. So, for example, sometimes people are given a bone marrow transplant. Maybe you give a dog a marrow bone, a bone for it to crunch and break and get the marrow out of the inside. Notice a marrow is also a British word for a big courgette or a squash. Yeah, so a marrow, it looks like rather like a big cucumber. Yeah, it's either got a green or yellow skin and it's got lots of seeds. Yeah, so a big courgette, a big zucchini. Yeah, a marrow. Yeah, it's quite a big one. Okay, both of those are pretty technical, one thing or another, but we can use this word marrow to mean the core idea of something, the central idea of something. So we're now starting to get to the marrow of this story, the essential part, the core, the essence. So I guess you could say that grammar is the marrow of any language. It's the central part. Yeah, it's the innermost, choicest part, the pith, the center of something. Yeah, so if we can go through the marrow of this topic today, the core, yeah, the soul, the essence, the kernel of it, then we will have done the most important part of the work. Yeah, he was frozen to the very marrow. Okay, well, this has the idea to the center of his bones, but here to his center, to his core. Yeah. Okay. If you can understand the marrow of this concept, the quintessence. Yeah. So I don't know. For example, tourism is the marrow of some coastal economies. It's the essence, the nucleus, the pith, the very center. Yeah, the innermost core. So I don't know. They say that liberty is the marrow of being American. I don't know. Okay, so the marrow of something. You can have the bone marrow. You have this long vegetable, a marrow. Notice that's a British one. Americans would say squash. Or the center, the core of it. So we're now starting to get to the marrow of this, the basic, the most important central part of something. Okay, so the marrow, a vegetable, 5 in formality, use anywhere. The bone marrow, again, 5 in formality, use anywhere. We're getting to the marrow of this. Yeah, I think again 5 in formality, use anywhere. Okay, so let's see. As to origin, okay, marrow, it comes from Old English, mearg, Proto-Germanic, magaz, meaning the bone marrow, the center of something, the substance inside bones. Okay, so I hope you've understood the marrow of this word, the inside, the core, the essence, what it really means and how to use it. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Marrow.